So
was
we did that
written.
collab.
Yeah.
Yes, and that was one of the slang them where run the place for a while, like both locally and internationally, And then you have other songs with me, Elephant Man songs, me Bounty Killer. You have songs with me, what again I know, Cecile. You have songs with me. What again I know. Yeah, but a couple of them out there.
Yeah. Now, one of the things that you are very, very gifted at is something that the predecessors like Ninja Man have that skill. Professor Nuts
Yeah.
have that skill of
Yes.
putting together lyrics on the spot, but it's lyrics that make sense. You can tell a whole story. How did you
Yes.
develop that particular skill?
From school days. So it's like I used to go to like Half a Tree, like it's a park in Half a Tree, and where the clock is. And I used to just go there and DJ song. So you have youth from other schools who come there and they want take me on, because, they're going to bring the best from this school come here because I'm just always there DJing and crowd gathering around me and all that kind of thing. So when them come there and them take me on, I would clash them. And when I clash them, I defeat them out there. So some of the times now, youths come from other schools that I don't know nothing about them. So I have to just make things up on the spot, about them. So that is how I developed that kind of skill to just make up things about people like on the spot right there. And then I see it come on work.
Yes, the
Come on
social
work down the
commentary.
line. So
One.
yeah, so that's another big talent in itself,
Yeah.
And thing, and Ninja Man is the boss when it come on to them thing there. Ninja Man is the godfather. So I always watch Ninja Man also when him do them kind of thing. Because I remember one time I went to a concert. I think it was Coney Park. Long time. I was like, it was a kiddies kind of thing. So maybe I was like maybe 10 or 11 years old.
Okay.
And yeah, so Ninja Man was there performing and thing. And then a lady was walking, like she was walking across. And him just, pick on the lady and just start pin up a song about the lady and she walking across and the clothes of she in and all of this kind of thing. And the place mash up on me. I say, yo, that kind of thing I'm want to do, I'm want able to do this kind of thing. So, practice becomes perfect after a time and then thing. So whenever time I'm in like that mood, when I'm in that mood, trust me, like lyrics fly. Even when I'm just driving around, people are always saying to me, yo, you make song off of everything. Because I'll just be there driving and see stuff happening on the road and we just start singing. We just start make rhymes about what's happening out there and all them kind of thing there. So it's just a fun thing for me when I'm in that mood.
Right. It's an amazing skill because there's those people who can write a song, write a good song, but it might take them a month to really put it all together and that's just one song.
Yes, that's true.
So to be able to on the spot seconds.
And also like when it comes down to writing songs, that's why even when me and Elephant Man party, him love my energy because I write song very quick. So even when I go into the studio and I say, all right, I get a beat and I say, all right, I go and knock this beat out. It's like maybe 2 hours. Sometimes you take a few more hours on a song because you want want it to sound a particular way, a certain kind of flow, a new vibe you're trying or whatever, and things. So you take a few hours, but like for the day, I will knock out. I remember one at a time I wrote like maybe 5 songs for one day.
Wow!
In one day, recorded 5 songs.
Yeah, that's putting in the work right there. Real talk.
Yeah.
So they just had the Island Music Conference, and there was a panel that had Shaggy on there, Ricky Trooper, I think Heavy D, and they were talking about the fact that clash culture is kind of fading away in Jamaica right now. you don't get the same level sound system clashes, and like how Sting was postponed, and the usual annual showdown that would happen, at Sting isn't happening anymore. And they were saying that it is a important piece of the development of Jamaican artists, that clash culture. How do you feel about that?
I mean, it's sad to see a strong thing like that is fading, and I would say whatever we can do to contribute and keep that part of the business going, we should, because a lot of people love dancehall because of that whole thing. Not only the whole clash vibe, but it adds a little spice to the whole dancehall thing, and it's a strong part of the culture. So, and then the thing is, I play a big part in that side of it, because of the past clashes that I did and stuff like that. But then why I did kind of cool off the whole clashing thing is because most of the opponents, them, when I defeat them, they're taking it personal. And, they don't want to talk to me. They don't, what I mean? When I heal them more time, sometimes they don't answer and them kind of thing. And, I'm doing it just for entertainment and for the mere fact that it's a part of the culture, and I'm trying to keep that part of the culture alive.
Right.
But, sometimes people thinking that, boy, you're going at them career and them career going to get hurt and all them things. But I don't see that kind of way, because when I go into a clash, I go into it with a 50-50 thinking, saying that, boy, I can come out the victor, or I might come out. The opponent can get the upper hand at a point. I don't look at it as me, my career getting hurt from this, because at the end of the day, when a promoter call to book an artist, they book you based on a catalog and the songs that you have playing that people can sing along to. They don't book you for clashes. Right. Only sound system get booked for clashes. So I really don't see how it might affect them career. So most of the artists them nowadays, I see, like, that's the issue with them. Sting is a show where Sting showcase a lot of clashes. And them say, boy, Sting make you and it break you and all that kind of thing.
Yeah.
And then Sting is also a tough audience.
Right.
Go to Sting. So Sting is like an end of year exam for artists.
I like it.
And yes. So when you go into a show like Sting, you always have to be on your A game, whether you're clashing or you're not clashing. So that is why I always wanted a show like Sting to continue, because it's a show where poor people, poor people go to this show. Yeah. That is why this show is a tougher audience than every other show, because the man who sell peanut on the roadside, and the man who sell them jelly coconut, and the man who sell him cheese strips and whatever, them people here save up their money, buy them clothes downtown or wherever, and buy them ticket and go to Sting to enjoy the show. So this is why this kind of audience have zero tolerance when them not getting what they want.
Right.
Yeah.
People need to know in Jamaica is not like the Gong Show, I think, right? Especially that Sting audience, especially back in the days, right? You better run fast and exit that stage if they don't like you.
Remember when they used to fling buckle,
yes.
and the shandy tag before